Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share Instagram Reel to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once you are on Instagram you can hit at that Reels icon. Let me mute the volume, and let's say I want to share some reel. Let it be that one. All you have to do in order to share it is just hit at that airplane icon and then select add reel to your story, the very first option. And that opens up kind of a story editor, and right from here you can first scale that reel. You can move it around, you can rotate it, so you can place it wherever you want. Also, you can change the background color. In that simple way, you can add right here some text. You can tap at stickers icon and add some sticker here, and once you finished with that you can just hit at that arrow icon and then hit on share to share that reel with your Instagram followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.